Привіт, добрий день, and welcome to Fluent Ukrainian Fast, the course designed to get you speaking right away to learn natural language faster, in minutes, not months. Very briefly, here's how the course works. We'll introduce a new word and you'll repeat it aloud. Then you'll be asked to form phrases prompted by this bubble icon. Think and then speak the phrase out loud, hitting pause if you need extra time. I'll then say the phrase, which hopefully will be the same as yours. There will be another space to repeat after me. And finally, we'll give the phrase again. Please try your best to imitate the native pronunciation and speed of our sentences. For the best results, repeat each lesson 2 times. That means on day 1, you do lesson 1, then on day 2, you do lessons 1 and 2, and on day 3, you do lessons 1, 2, and 3. Feel free to watch repeat lessons at a faster playback speed if you wish. Okay, we're ready to start. Hello, привіт. I'm Eldon. Я Eldon. The verb to be is omitted in the present tense, so I Eldon, he Michael, they students.
I am Настя. Я Настя.
I am a student. Я студент.
Я студент.
Let's try ordering a drink. A tea. Chai. There is no word for a or an in Ukrainian, so just tea or coffee or water or student. The verb to want is хотіти in the infinitive form.
Хотіти.
To say I want, it is я хочу. All words have one stressed vowel. We will mark them to make correct pronunciation easier.
Я хочу.
I want a tea. Я хочу чай.
Я хочу чай.
The word for please, and you're welcome, is будь ласка.
Будь ласка.
Будь ласка. I want a tea, please. Я хочу чай, будь ласка.
Я хочу чай, будь ласка.
To buy is купувати.
Купувати.
I buy is я купую.
Я купую.
I buy tea. Я купую чай.
Я купую чай.
The word for milk is молоко.
Молоко.
I buy milk. Я купую молоко.
Я купую молоко.
The word for and is one letter, E.
І.
I buy tea and milk. Я купую чай і молоко.
Я купую чай і молоко.
I want tea and milk. Я хочу чай и молоко.
Я хочу чай і молоко.
Thank you, дякую, for coming to this lesson.
Дякую.
You're welcome. Будь ласка.
Будь ласка.